So the question on everyone's mind, as it is in the middle of 2020, as I stand here filming this now, can you really make money Bitcoin mining here in the UK? So the reality of it is the answer is yes, but it depends upon a certain few conditions, because for the average person who just wants to do this domestically, mining Bitcoin in kind of 2020 now, just before the halving in May, is pretty much impossible to do at profit, or certainly after the halving most likely will be impossible, because quite frankly the equipment that is required uses a lot of electric, and the average domestic electric in the UK or most Western countries is really very high. So the answer is, can you still make money? Yes. Can you do that reasonably at a domestic level? No. Can you do that if you have very cheap power or you have some type of commercial scale? Absolutely, and it can be very profitable under those circumstances. Now, a lot of people who kind of get a bit more educated about the market go, well, I really want to be in this space, maybe I want to do some type of crypto mining, but if Bitcoin isn't possible, are there any alternatives? And the answer to that question is yes, there are. I mean, the reality of it is as I stand here filming this today, there are hundreds and hundreds of different types of coins. All the coins that came after Bitcoin are known as other type of crypto tokens or crypto shares, or alternative coins is what people commonly know them as. And what you can do is you can use other types of mining equipment, like the equipment that you see behind me, to mine these smaller alternative coins. And as it happens, that equipment uses much less electric, can be much more profitable, and of course all of these coins can be interchanged into Bitcoin or any other type of coin. So effectively, although it might be difficult to mine Bitcoin in its entirety, and Bitcoin on a domestic level, that can be quite expensive and hard to do, the reality of it is you're still able to participate in this market and still make fantastic returns if you change your approach slightly. Rather than trying to mine Bitcoin directly, mine the smaller coins, which give you a larger pounds and pence value, and then if you so wish, you can convert that to Bitcoin, and then you end up on top in a reasonable fashion that then opens the doors for even more money at scale and a domestic availability which is now sensible and you're able to do without horrible hot noisy machines which drive you crazy. So there is a way into this market. You can still definitely earn some great Bitcoin at home. It's just that as the market's matured, you need to be a little bit more intelligent with your approach, and that is pretty much what we do here at Easy Crypto Hunter. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto. I hope this has helped answer some of your crypto questions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the sector, maybe you've got some other questions that are burning on your mind, have a look around the channel, leave us a like, give us a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you in the next video soon.